Hello everyone. Today's topic is sorting algorithm. What is meant by sorting algorithm? Sorting is a process of arranging the element of array that be represented at ascending or descending order. Means that, for example, that can be depends upon array, string array, integer array, character array. Different types to depend upon the array. Uh, Array will be sorting to use that sorting techniques. There are different techniques of sorting. First one is a bubble sort, second one is a bucket sort, binary sort, selection sort, insertion sort, counting sort, combo sort, heap sort, merge sort, quick sort, radic sort, and shell sort. By see that one by one, first one is a bubble sort. Bubble sorts means that it is simplest method which performs that the sorting by represented moving the largest element to the first index or greater element to the next element to use that the bubble sort. Now it is comparison to the two element to use that the bubble sort means that there are two. There are first one is a first element is a zero started and second one is a one index to started at. Next sort is a bucket sort. Bucket sort is also known as a bin sort. Its work by distributing the elements into the arrays also called buckets. Is in this sorting algorithm. Buckets are sorted individually by the using different sorting techniques. Counting sort, combo sort. Third one is a combo sort. Combo sort is a element from of the bucket. Bubble sort compares all the adjacent values, while combo sort. Next one is a counting sort. It is a sorting technique based on keys. Objects are allocated to according to the key, which are small integer. Counting sort calculate the number of occurrence of the object and store the key values. New array is formed by the adding previous by key and assigning the object. Next one is a heap sort. The heap sort is a min heap or max heap. It's maintained by the from the array element, depending upon the choice of the element to the sorted deleting the root element of the heap. Next one is the insertion sort. The name of suggests to the insertion sort the insert each element of the array or proper place. It is a very simple sort. It is a very simple sort method which is used to that the arrange the deck or cards playing bridge. Next sorting technique is the merge sort. Merge sorts means that the divide and conquer approach in which the list first divided into the set of equals element and then the each half of list is sorted by using merge. Sort the short list as a combined again to the form of the element sorted array. Next technique is a quick sort. Quick sort is a most optimized the self algorithm which zero O notation of log n as comparison to the line of merge sort. Quick sort also work as a using divided into conquer method. Conquer in integer. Next sorting is a selection sort. Selection sort. Selection sort find that the smallest element to the array and placed by one to the zero first to the checking that the zero index to last index to checking that to the smallest element such that and to the move that first element to use that the selection sort. The next one is a shell sort. The shell sort is a generation and insertion sort which overcomes the insertion sort. Thank you.